Gardening is indeed one of the purest of human pleasures. I ask myself, how is it that gardening can garner both exultation and tranquility at the same time? I think the answer may lie in the magic and majesty of life. Being able to witness the vitality and existence of a being take shape has a definite impact. David Hobson once said, I grow plants for many reasons: to please my eye or to please my soul, to challenge the elements or to challenge my patience, for novelty or for nostalgia, but mostly for the joy of seeing them grow. Is it not a delight to enjoy the beauty that is gardens of our friends and neighbors, the well maintained vistas of majestic botanical gardens, and above all, the nature's bounty growing wild? When the world wearies and society fails to satisfy, there is always the garden.